Let's learn slope of a tangent. Slope of a tangent is a small deviation from the normal differentiation, but this is an application of the differentiation. So that's why we need to know this and we need to understand. I've seen so many exam questions on this, so it's very important that we learn this. Okay, so let's try to understand some of the basic concepts before we start on this topic. Um, how does a graph of a quadratic equation look like? Okay, the quadratic equation, whichever be the equation, it either look like this or it will look like this, right? It will be a curve. So let me just take only one. Now, if I have a tangent to this line, maybe at this point. So what is a tangent? Tangent is the line which touches the curve. So this is a quadratic equation, okay? This is a quadratic equation and this is the red one is a tangent and it is touching the quadratic equation at one particular point. So I don't know how I will note it. Okay, this point. This is the point where it touches the curve. Now, if I want to find the slope of the tangent, okay, to find the slope of the tangent, what you need to do is you just need to, if this is a, okay, for example, if this is a quadratic equation, y is equal to maybe x square plus 3x plus 5 or something like that, okay? And if you need to find the slope of this tangent, what you need to do is you just need to do dy by dx at this point at p. Yeah, that's it. So you find the derivative of the function and then sub in the value of p for the derivative. Okay, it's as straightforward as that. So for example, if you have a slope, if you have a quadratic equation, y is equal to 3x square plus 4x minus 5. Sorry, let me just write it a bit more bigger. Y is equal to 3x square plus 4x minus 5. And this is a curve and the point is 1, 2. Okay, you need to find the equation of the tangent for this one. So now we need to find, okay, let me just write the question also so that you don't get confused. Find equation of tangent. Now remember, this is a joint question out of differentiation and calculus. Okay, so here is the equation y is equal to 3x square plus 4x minus 5, and this is a point. So let me just give you a pictorial representation of this. So if you have, this is the curve 3x square plus 4x minus 5, and there is a point here 1, 2, and there is a tangent which is going. So you have to find the equation of this one. Okay. So to find the equation, we know we have the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So you just need to remember that, because only then we will know what all to find out. In this, x1 and y1 is this point, x1 and y1 are these 2 points. Now the only thing which remaining is the slope. So to find the slope, what you do, it is dy over dx, which is equal to dy over dx at the point. Okay, that is important, because just dy by dx will not work. At the point you have to find it. So dy by dx is equal to 6x plus 4. Okay, and at the point 1, 2, what will be the values? 6 times 1 plus 4, which is equal to 10. So you just sub in the value of x and you get this value. So now you got the slope also. Now you can write the formula of equation as y minus 2 is equal to 10 times x minus 1, and then you can simplify this. Y minus 2 is equal to 10x minus 10, or you can simplify this as 10x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the tangent. So if you draw a picture, it will be very easy to understand what we are trying to find out. Okay, so in the question they might not give you any picture, they might just give you a words. So you draw a sample picture on the side so that you will be able to visualize it, and then you will be able to do it. Okay, let's look at this question. So if you want to try it on your own, pause the video and you can try this up. Okay, so let's look at this question again. What they're asking, there is a curve which is 2x square minus 3x plus 4. So this is the curve, and there's a point here, and there's a tangent which is going out, and this point is 1, 3. So you have to find the equation of the tangent. So y is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 4. So to find the slope, m is equal to dy over dx, which is equal to 4x minus 3, and at point 1, 3, the slope will be 4 times 1 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Okay, it's 1. And then here it is find the slope. Okay, and the equation is y minus 1 is equal to 1 times x minus y minus 3 is equal to 1 times x minus 1, and then you can find the value. So which is like y minus 3 is equal to x minus 1, or you simplify this x minus y, uh, you're bringing it this side, so plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, let me just get another question, one more question here. Okay, this is the question. So here what they have given us, they have given the slope of the tangent is 6 at a specific point. Okay, so we have to find the value of x at that point. So now what you will do, you for the slope of the tangent, every time you remember dy over dx is equal to the slope, which is here it is 2 minus 2x, and dy by dx, that is they've given it as 6, so 2 minus 2x is equal to 6. Then 2x is equal to 2 minus 6, 2x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 2. Very straightforward question. Okay, so when you see that, when you see a question, you have to remember as soon as you see slope of the tangent, you have to remember it is dy over dx. Okay, look at this question also. Okay, find the point of the curve where the tangent is parallel to the line 4x minus y plus c equal to 0. So now you have this line here where the tangent is parallel. So in this case, there's a curve, there's a tangent, and this is parallel to this line. So this line is 4x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. When two lines are parallel, we know that the slopes are equal. So first you need to find the slope of this one. So 4x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. To find the slope, minus y is equal to minus 4x minus 2, or y is equal to 4x plus 2. So slope m is equal to 4. Okay. Then you can find the value. So if the slope is equal to 4, the differentiation of this, or y is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 3. We know the slope is 4. So dy over dx is equal to 4x minus 8. That's equal to 4. So 4x minus 8 is equal to 4. X minus 2 is equal to 0. No, sorry. Minus 4x minus, okay, what am I doing here? 4x minus 8 is equal to 4. So 4x is equal to 12, or x is equal to 3. Now if x is equal to 3, how will you find the value of y? Y is equal to 2 times 3 square minus 8 times 3 plus 3, which will be equal to minus 3. So the point is 3 minus 3. So it's a normal algebraic calculations and coordinate geometry which comes into picture. But just remember, whenever you see slope of a tangent, that is dy over dx. Remember this from the question. If you see slope of the tangent, it is dy over dx at that particular point.